guys, what's poppin'? My name is Flex, welcome to another video. So today we have a review on CM Storm. So this is a keyboard that comes with the mouse. So yeah, let's get started into it. So the official name of this keyboard is Cooler Master's Devastator, and it comes with keyboard and mouse. And it's a combo that brings stylish looks and pretty blue lights to the gamer on a strict budget. But looks aside, it's still a high quality set. So the Devastator's keys have plenty of travel and require fairly light pressure to activate, so they are really smooth and allowing to quick and nimble typing and gaming. Unlike more expensive gaming keyboards, this model doesn't have anti-ghosting or N-key rollover technology, so pressing multiple buttons at the same time may result in no response. But we have no problem in our time with the keyboard, and the keyboard looks pretty quality. So keyboard shape is standard. It has number pad, connection is with USB, and my mouse type is optical, a resolution 2000 dpi, so dots per inch. Button 6, so it has 6 buttons on the mouse, and warranty are for 2 years. So yeah, the keyboard also has a very handsome blue light, black backlighting, so which you can switch on with the scroll with the scroll wheel, yeah, but it's not the wheel, it's actually the button on the keyboard. So yeah, so it looks great, but annoyingly the backlight is always off by default when you turn on your PC, and you'll need to press that button, which is scroll key. It's yeah, I know it's kind of dumb, but it's a scroll key, yeah. So the scroll lock button acts as backlight on off toggle, so yeah, you need to press it to work with it. So yeah, the mouse meanwhile is equally impressive. It has the same blue backlighting and even incorporates some spaceship like design flair, something like Thor if you ask me. It has a maximum DPI of 2000 as well, we said that, and you can cycle through 1000, 1600 and 2000 DPI settings using a button in the middle. So you can lower and higher your DPI. So yeah, the default DPI is 2000, and it's substantially lower than some of more extreme gaming mice available, but for most of the people this should be more than enough. So there are shoulder buttons on the left side, and where the thumb would go, useful for desktop tasks as well as gaming shortcuts. So 25 pounds for keyboard and mouse combination of this quality is absolute steal. So you can get it immediately at the store, so I will link you down below. And without further ado, I will say you keyboard and mouse specifications. So keyboard shape standard, we have number pad, we have shortcut keys, which is 6 media keys, we have volume control and connection with the USB. We do not have battery. I know that some keyboard has battery, but yeah, we don't have it. Mouse type optical, 2000 dpi, as we said like for several times. 6 buttons on the mouse, on the, yeah, and it's 25 pounds including VAT. So yeah, it's 2 years of warranty, and that's about it, guys. So yeah, I hope you like this keyboard. I'm currently using this keyboard for my daily gaming and daily job things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, and yeah, we will see you in the next video, and your keyboard is down below in the description. And you can also for like 3 or 2 days I will host a giveaway on my channel, a banner giveaway, so be sure to subscribe and wait for more. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Flex, and I'm signing out.